Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to delete TikTok posts. Removing a post is helpful when you want to manage your content or take down something you no longer want on your profile. So let's get started. First, open TikTok app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, open the post you want to delete. Tap on the three dots icon from the right side of your screen. In the menu that appears, swipe left from the bottom to find the delete option. Once you locate the delete option, tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap the delete button again to confirm and delete the post. And this is how you can delete TikTok posts. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.